Yeah, we got another one of those money videos, personal finance videos. We talking about how to develop a better relationship with money, man. That's a big thing. That's a big thing for anybody, man. No matter if you at the bottom, you just getting by, or whether you one of the most rich and successful people in the world, man. Money management, personal finances, staying on top of your finances is up there. Top three things, one most important things in life. This life we live in, man. So the first thing when it comes to developing a better relationship with money, man, is you have to shift your mindset on money. What do I mean by that? You have to understand, money might not be everything, but it is a tool that you can use to better your life, to improve your life, and the people around you, the loved ones, your family, sometimes your friends. That's how you have to shift your views on money. See, some people, they might not have a lot of money, or they might be struggling. They view money as evil. They don't want to talk about money. You bring up money at the family dinner table, and it's like it's a taboo subject. No, let's talk about it. That's why I make these videos, man, so we could discuss this, so we could share knowledge with each other. We can learn from each other. Y'all be putting me on the stuff too. When I be on YouTube Live at night, y'all be giving me stock market tips and stuff, different companies to look into, put on my watch list, man. That's why we doing this. We making a community, man. We making money an interesting subject, man. That's what people with a lot of money do, man. They discussing business moves, assets, trying to, expand their empire, trying to collaborate with other people, come together. That's what it's all about, man. Not competing. The people at the bottom, they want to compete. They want to compete for limited resource. They want to try to step on the next person, pull somebody else back down that's becoming successful with life, stuff like that. Meanwhile, the people at the top, they'd rather work together. They want to stay on top. That's how they do. Once you get on top, it's not just enough to get there. You got to stay there, So like I say, change your mindset, how you view money. Money is a tool used to improve your life. I be seeing some people too that come on my comments on some of my other finance videos. They be saying money ain't everything. I never said it was everything, but it's damn near up there. Not having any money, not being on top of your finances is everything, because then you struggling. Then you just getting by. It's never enough money. Now you like, damn, man, how am I going to do this? How am I going to do that? The bill come, everybody go out to eat, the family, people looking around like, damn, man, I know my bread ain't good. I hope somebody else cover it. Shit, I don't want to live like that. You know what I'm saying? You go on vacation, you can't really enjoy yourself. You like, damn, man, should I do this? Should I go to that restaurant? Should I take this little excursion, man? When I go on vacation, man, I go on vacation. You feel me? Everything's already paid for. My hotel, wherever I'm going to stay at, my flight. I got spending money. If I want to have drinks, go out to eat, do stuff. I'm not out there stressing, worrying about that, man. What's the point of going on vacation? I might as well just stay home and go back to work. And like I said, work on my finances. That's my mindset right there. This is the next thing, man. You have to understand that a budget is king. What do I mean by that? Your monthly income and expenses, you have to have a budget. You have to be able to account for every dollar to your name that comes into your bank account and that goes into your pocket. If you don't know where every dollar is going that comes in, man, you are destined to overspend every time. And when you overspend, you spend more than you bring in, you're going to end up in the red. Like me, I have a spreadsheet, right? Let me see, I'm gonna pull it out. That I put all of my bills on. I showed this in some of my other videos, Hold on one second. I got all my bills. Let's see. The mortgage, daycare, electric bill, gas bill, stuff like cable, Netflix, water bill, home warranty, spending and gas money, food, when I go grocery shopping, lawn care in the summertime. I got everything wrote down because I got to be able to see where all of my dollars are going. And at the end of the month, the goal is to try to have money left over after you pay all your bills, after you put money in your retirement, after you do this and do that. You want to have money left over. That's my goal every month. Every month I hit that goal. You feel me? I always have money left over. That's like I say, I try to keep my expenses minimal and I stay within my means. I don't try to live above my means. I don't try to live a lifestyle that I can't afford. I keep it simple. I don't be worrying about the Joneses, keeping up with the Joneses, trying to impress people, trying to buy shit that I know I can't afford. I just do me, man. I'm the type, man, I just wear a basic t-shirt, some sweatpants, some Crocs or something, man. I'm going out. I got plenty clothes in the closet that I done bought over the years, but I don't need to go and try to buy the newest, latest, this and that. I don't gotta have the biggest, fanciest house, the fastest cars. I'm comfortable, man. You know, I'm like a lot of y'all working 9 to 5, man. I'm just trying to get ahead in life and not just get by. You feel me? This is the next thing, man, when it comes to having a better relationship with money. Focus on buying assets over liabilities. What do I mean by that? See, people, you know, at the bottom, they focus on buying liabilities, man. They want to buy all the clothes. They want to buy a new car every year or two. They want to try to live above their means, trying to buy shit that means nothing, that goes down in value to try to impress people. People that's successful with money, that's on the top, man, they buying and acquiring more assets. Assets are things that go up in value. You start a new business, real estate, stocks, crypto, stuff like that increase your cash flow. Liabilities are things that take money out your pockets. For instance, you go buy a new car every year. As soon as you drive that car off the car lot, it goes down in value. Everybody needs a car. You need reliable transportation. So that's obvious. I'm talking about when majority of your money is going towards liabilities versus assets. That's when you're going to lose. It's a losing equation. I'm a correction officer, right? And I work a lot of overtime. So when I get my checks, it's a lot of money that I work from overtime. I try to take as much of that money as I can and buy stocks with it. Stuff like that. If you got credit card debt, man, try to pay that off. You see what I'm saying? Then you got more money. You can focus on buying more assets. You know, I'm trying to buy things that's going to bring me more money. That's going to increase my net worth, my wealth. That's how I be thinking. You feel me? This is the next thing. Delayed gratification and avoiding keeping up with the Joneses, man. If you could practice delayed gratification, you're going to go further in life. Delayed gratification. What do I mean by that, man? You know, instead of always having a mindset, I want it now. I want it now. Even if I can't afford it, even if I got to put it on a credit card, you know, knowing I don't have the money, I'm just going to pay it off. Just wait, be patient, man. If it's meant to be, it's going to happen. You feel me? I said this in one of my other videos, man. I use my cars, for example, right? My first car I bought, you know, after I paid it off, I didn't just rush out and buy another car and get right back into a car payment. I waited like 2 years. I drove that car payment free. You know, that money I was sending in for my car payment, I started investing it. I started, you know, shit like that. Investing in stocks, you know, then I went out and bought another car, you know, and then I paid that car off. Now I don't got right now I don't have no car, so I just be sending in that money and investing it. Invest assets over liability. Just like I said, man, this is the next thing. Work on educating yourself on money and personal finances, you know. See, the type of person I am, you know, I always want to acquire knowledge. If I don't know, back when I was a kid, you know, I was the type of person, I would go to the library, got a public library card. I would rent books on this type of stuff, like investing, personal finance. Whatever I want to know, I just read. These days, you got Google, you got YouTube. Everybody's putting knowledge, all the knowledge is online. So you need to be educating yourself, man, on how debt works, stuff like that, how to get out of credit card debt. What's the best stocks to buy? What's the best mutual funds to buy? How much should you be putting in your retirement account? Things of that nature, man. That's what you need to be trying to focus on learning when it comes to your money investing. You know what I'm saying? How can you leave your kids better off than the life that you had when you're long gone? How can you set them up for financial success? Stuff like that. That's the stuff that need to be going through your head, man. This is the next thing. Always be looking for opportunities and ways to increase your income streams. You know, a lot of us, including me, we got 9 to 5 jobs, man. But I'm always looking to diversify. You know, I got my YouTube channel that's monetized. So that's money that comes in. And all that money I get from YouTube, I just invest it. You know, I got my merchandise that I sell on my website. A lot of that money I get, you know, people buy merch all around the world. They tap in with me. I try to invest that too. All that online coaching. You know, I may look into doing other things. I may look into maybe trying to get my own supplement. I'm always looking for different opportunity, collaboration. I've had people over the past couple of years, you know, companies reach out to me. They pay me to do a video promoting a product or promoting. So I had GNC reach out to me a couple of years ago around Thanksgiving. They had their Black Friday sale going on. They paid me a couple $100 just to do a little 30-second video talking about the Black Friday sale, stuff like that. Man, I'm always looking for different opportunity, man. Always look for opportunities where most people, they see dirt, you see glitter, we see gold. That's how you gotta look, man. Some people see something, man, they think, that's just trash, man. You know, look past that. Keep looking. You gonna see the gold. You gonna see the diamonds. You feel me? This is the last thing I'm gonna leave y'all with, man. Always stay humble and stay hungry. What do I mean by that? Okay, you start to get more knowledgeable on the subject of money, finances, and whatnot. You start to apply the formula, the stuff that you've been studying to your life and your situation. You start to get ahead in life. You start to become more successful. Your cash flow starts to improve. You start to see yourself living more comfortable. But like I say, always stay humble. See, I grew up poor, so no matter how far I get in life, I'm never going to forget what it was like growing up in that struggle. That's why I named my channel The Ghetto Bodybuilder. That remind me, no matter how successful you become, never forget where you started at, son. I grew up in the ghetto, like the projects, So that's just a way of me reminding myself to always stay humble. And what do I mean by stay hungry? Always, like I said, don't get complacent. Don't get lazy thinking you made it. You might get a new job. You making way more money. Don't start letting it go to your head. Stay down, stay humble, and stay hustling. Y'all like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel at The Ghetto Bodybuilder. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok at The Ghetto Bodybuilder. I got that merchandise for sale. Tap in with me on my website, man. All kind of hoodies and t-shirts. Y'all got any input, thoughts, comments on this video? Make sure you leave a comment. I'll be sure to get back with you as soon as I can. Y'all know how we coming. Let's get motivated.